What did some congressmen want to demand instead of dominion status? A. Social reforms. B. Greater provincial autonomy. C. Complete independence. D. Economic self-sufficiency. The correct answer is C. Complete independence. What practice did some reigning rulers follow to ensure peaceful succession? A. Forming a democratic council. B. Abdicating in favor of a younger relative. C. Nominating their successors. D. Dividing the empire among heirs. The correct answer is C. Nominating their successors. The unit on South Indian kingdoms covers ruling dynasties and their _____________________________________________________________________________________________________________ A. Architecture. C. Languages. D. Domains. The correct answer is D. Domains. What was laid for the evolution of humans after the emergence of plants and animals? A. The timeline for their migration. B. The foundation for their evolution. C. The blueprint for their future societies. D. The foundation for their extinction. The correct answer is B. The foundation for their evolution. Where is Moinuddin Chishti's resting place located? A. Delhi. B. Kartarpur. C. Ajmer Sharif Dargah. D. Lahore. The correct answer is C. Ajmer Sharif Dargah. Who was the general of the Sur dynasty who captured Agra and Delhi in 1556? A. Bairam Khan. B. Akbar. C. Hemu. D. Sher Shah Suri. The correct answer is C. Hemu. Which ocean is labeled as Indian Ocean? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Atlantic Ocean. The correct answer is B. D. Indian Ocean. Which Mughal king's reign included the years 1555 to 1556? A. Aurangzeb. B. Shah Jahan. C. Humayun. D. Akbar. The correct answer is C. Humayun. Apart from the cotton gin, what other textile machinery is mentioned? A. Steam engine. B. Rolling mill. C. Spinning mule. D. Power loom. The correct answer is C. Spinning mule. What was the name of the empire that assimilated southern kingdoms like the Hoysalas? A. Vijayanagar. B. Mughal Empire. C. Delhi Sultanate. D. Bahmani Sultanate. The correct answer is A. Vijayanagar. The Indigo Revolt is listed with which year range? A. 1855 to 56. B. 1917 to 18. C. 1859 to 60. D. 1873 to 76. The correct answer is C. 1859 to 60. How was the movement ultimately suppressed? A. By a truce with the rebels. B. Through diplomatic negotiations. C. By granting concessions to the peasants. D. With a heavy hand by the government. The correct answer is D. With a heavy hand by the government. The Sumerians were contemporaries of which other civilizations? A. Greek and Babylonian. B. Roman and Greek. C. Persian and Chinese. D. Indus and Egyptian. The correct answer is D. Indus and Egyptian. What was the name of the secret society started by Neelkanta Brahmachari? A. Vedaranyam Society. B. Madras League. C. Bharat Matha Association. D. Vaikom Heroes. The correct answer is C. Bharat Matha Association. Where was the Vijayanagar Empire established? A. Southern Karnataka. B. Eastern Andhra Pradesh. C. Northern Tamil Nadu. D. Western Kerala. The correct answer is A. Southern Karnataka. Which of the following was stressed by Ashoka? A. Obedience and respect for elders. B. Dominance over others. C. Expansion of territory. D. Material gain. The correct answer is A. Obedience and respect for elders. How many stories did the houses typically have? A. More than 2 stories. B. Either 1 or 2 stories. C. Only 2 stories. D. Only 1 story. The correct answer is B. Either 1 or 2 stories. What year did East Germany begin constructing the wall in Berlin? A. 1962. Born in 1961. Circa 1960. D. 1959. The correct answer is born in 1961. When was Germany officially reunited? A. 9th November 1989. B. 3rd October 1989. C. 3rd October 1990. D. 2nd September 1990. The correct answer is C. 3rd October 1990. Which of the following statements is true regarding the musician Rudracharya? A. He authored the Aihole inscription. B. He lived during Pulkesin II. C. He lived during Mahendravarma I. D. He was an army general. The correct answer is C. He lived during Mahendravarma I. Kodumnal is identified with which ancient text's reference to Kodumanam? A. Silapatikram. B. Pathitrupattu. C. Manimekli. D. Tolkappiyam. The correct answer is B. Pathitrupattu. Which statement correctly describes a historical figure or event? A. The main contribution was Athenian democracy. B. Spartacus killed Julius Caesar. C. Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius was a tyrant. D. Virgil's Aeneid glorified Roman imperialism. The correct answer is D. Virgil's Aeneid glorified Roman imperialism. Which material was used for the tiger statue found at Kodumnal? A. Iron. B. Silver. C. Gold. D. Bronze. The correct answer is D. Bronze. Where is the Middle Paleolithic culture found in Tamil Nadu? A. Southern Tamil Nadu. B. Some parts of Tamil Nadu. C. All parts of Tamil Nadu. D. Northwestern Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is B. Some parts of Tamil Nadu. What is defined as an embossed emblem, figure or symbol? A. Pictograph. B. Artifact. C. Seal. D. Spindle. The correct answer is C. Seal. What event symbolized the overthrow of monarchy and establishment of the National Assembly? A. The storming of the Tuileries. B. The Reign of Terror. C. The fall of Bastille. D. The Great Fear. The correct answer is C. The fall of Bastille. Which dynasty's foundation was laid by Simukha? A. Satvahan dynasty. B. Andhra dynasty. C. Maurya dynasty. D. Gupta dynasty. The correct answer is A. Satvahan dynasty. What did Buddha and Mahavir base their ethical teachings against? A. Caste system. B. Materialism. C. Sacrificial cult of the Vedic religion. D. Imperial rule. The correct answer is C. Sacrificial cult of the Vedic religion. What is identified as the cause of human unhappiness in the world according to the teachings of Lao Tse? A. Natural disasters. B. Lack of material wealth. C. Selfishness. D. Absence of religious faith. The correct answer is C. Selfishness. What was a key benefit of the Ryotwari system for the British government? A. It promoted agricultural innovation. B. It increased loyalty among the zamindars. C. It secured a fixed and stable income. D. It reduced their administrative burden. The correct answer is C. It secured a fixed and stable income. How did you score?